Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray Johnson, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can create an unlimited amount of Facebook accounts. Yes guys, and the way to actually do this guys is to actually download and install this app called Parallel Space. And after installing Parallel Space, you'll also be given a prompt to actually download and install Parallel Space 64-bit support. And you ensure that you allow the app to actually get access to your phone to all the permission that it requires. And when you're in the app, you'll see some ads, which you'll skip when you have the chance to, which I'll be seeing some ads and I'll be showing you how to actually skip those ads as soon as you get a chance, like this one. Okay, so when you're in the app, you can add apps that you have already downloaded into this space, because what it does is actually create a second section in your phone that allows you to use apps twice. So now I'll be showing you how to add Facebook, because that's the app that we'll be using. Now what you would do is tap on where it says add app. Okay, and then you'd search for Facebook in this section. So let me go ahead and search for Facebook. Okay, so it's actually not showing me Facebook because I already have Facebook, but you'll be able to see Facebook and you'd add it from here. But I'm just gonna add a random app. So I'd click on the app, it highlights, and I click on add to Parallel Space, and it's processing. Okay, so as you can see, those apps came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and open Facebook now. Okay, so it's coming up. Okay guys, so with this, you will be required to create the Facebook account without using a phone number. So you will have to use an email, and many persons out there right now are using temp emails. Those are actually temporary emails, and Facebook is not accepting that method. Instead, Facebook is actually disabling the accounts. So as soon as you create it, you cannot confirm the account. So what we'll be using are Gmail accounts, and I've made videos on how you can create unlimited Gmail accounts, whether it's American Gmail accounts or your local Gmail accounts. And you will be required to ensure that the name on the account is a part of the email address that you'll be using to create the account. And also ensure that the age of the person for the account is over 25 years old. And if you ensure that all those steps are met, then the account will be creating successfully right now. So here I go. I'm going to show you. So you're going to click on where it says create new Facebook account. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on next. And I'm going to put the first name. Next, I'm going to select the date of birth. And as I had mentioned, I'm going to search for age over 25. Okay, so that's 30. That should be okay. And I'm going to ensure I change the date of birth and leave it right there. Okay, and I'm going to ensure I'm going to select a male or female and not custom. So Peter sounds more like a male, so I'm going to go with male. Click on next. Okay, so it needs phone number, but if we're creating unlimited accounts, we want to ignore the phone number and we're going to sign up with email address. because it's easy to get an email address and it's very difficult to actually get phone numbers. So yeah, I'm gonna be using email. Okay. And now I'm gonna click on next. I'm gonna create a password. And then click on next. Okay, so it says sign up. So the account is now creating. Cool. Okay, so we are actually not finished as yet. We will be required to confirm the account. Okay, so I'm not gonna save the password, not now. Okay. So you see, now I'm going to search for the confirmation code because it just came in. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the account was just created successfully. And all those things that I told you were the reason why the account was created. Failure to follow those steps will result in the account not being created, dependency, and temp emails to create unlimited Facebook accounts will not work. Trust me, I've tried. And you shouldn't have any issues using unlimited Gmail accounts because, as I stated, there are many videos out there, and I have 2 videos on my channel which I'll be linking in the description so you can use to get US Gmail account or your local Gmail account so you can create unlimited. And additionally, you should not do much activity in these accounts until after 7 days because Facebook will believe that these are fake accounts and try to disable them. So yes guys, thank you for watching my channel. My name is Ray Johnson. You take care. Bye bye.